Hi, dear viewers. Do you know you can now build a website in 30 seconds? Too good to be true? Don't worry. Come with me to my screen and let me show you how this is being done. Alright, so now this is my screen. My screen is showing durable.co. So this is the website that allows you to build a website in literally 30 seconds. So I'm going to show you step by step what to do, how you can make that possible. So first of all, you have to sign up for free. You would have an account, but if you do have an account, you sign in. But I'll assume everyone does not have an account, and so we're just doing it from scratch. So you would mention the kind of business you are trying to build. Let me say I'm trying to build a bakery. So this kind of business I'm into, and I'm located in Lagos. So this question are important. This all the information I drop in and things needed for you to develop your website. So I'll call my website High Gala Bakery. So then next thing, that's generate website. So all of the information I put in is what to define how my website will be generated. And so you're seeing my website be generated currently now. So this is less than 30 seconds. With the information you have already, your website can be developed. So yeah, so we're seeing my website now is currently available. So I need to sign in with Google. So if you have an account, you have to sign in with Google so that you can have access to the website that has been done already. So I'm going to sign up now, and I'm going to click my account. Continue. So it will ask you some questions where you'd click in so you can view and manage for search console data for your verified websites. So you can tag this also, since you need to check in the data that's how they search for you on different websites. So you can that's we can able to get information on how people can actually search for you. So yeah. So I'll click that and then I should have access to my website in some seconds now. So basically, this is my website now. With the basic little information I gave to it, it has developed my website. So you can see tiny currently under here, it shows publish your website, go live with a custom domain name. So this is in a pro version. So if I want to have my website linked up with a proper domain name, then I have to register for a pro version. For now, this is just the free version. You can see that every part I click in, I had the ability to see work on it. I can maybe add a section, now I have what's name, just contact us. So I can add other options currently to my website. I can come over, I can customize also. Yeah, I can check up the pages they have. I think I just have a few pages you can add. I have the home page. This is basically the home page currently. So you can add more pages. You can also add a blog post, a page for blog post, add in folders. So whatever was shown for now, this is just the landing page. As only just the home page currently, and there's just some stuff. See, I mentioned the Lagos, so you could in Lagos for me. Mention the name of my bakery, and then some other stuffs there that are important. So show the contacts, then all kinds of break stuffs. So you could play around it. Shows me location in Lagos, though it's not correct. You can still work on it also. You can add more section if you need want to add more information about your website. So yeah, okay. So this is on currently. I could click on this to rename the website. To rename it like the page itself. Then I show the header, the footer, so like that, and the SEO. So I can put in my image. So what they're asking for in this place is your favicon. So either your logo of your website, that it's of your brand, you can add it here so that whenever they search for it, it would show at this topmost parts. Or you could allow, hey, I choose one for you. Then you have basic information, description of your website. These other things are needed, the SEO, to determine how you'll be ranked on Google. So you need all of this information also. Yeah, so you can also add some to the script. Maybe you have the plugin to put in, or you want to put Google Tag Manager. Want to add in a tracker from Google for Google Analytics, so you can be able to see how many people come to your website. So you can also add it in the header position also. And then you have something also you can add in the footer also, you can add in more scripting, maybe to design or add more functionality on your websites. Yeah. So this is just something basic that can be basically done without even having a experience or having a full knowledge on coding. So the title here, so you have to change it something related to your business has to be here. So that will be the title region. Okay, so I'm out of there. So I can add more section. I can restyle. From here, I click on restyle. I can actually begin to move them. Actually, this one I want to restyle. So I'm thinking of so so I can't say emailed. I'll put my email here. So this contact us should either ways send to you my email or something. But I'll leave it back in page so that they can go to the contact us page. I noticed that the contact us page here is not yet correct. Is not yet added. So you can also add more pages, and then you can allow it to either click to open a new browser entirely here, or interact on this same tab. So yeah, so there is a little story you can just play around by yourself. So let me see out of the page. Sounds on that page and this page, so you can see various kinds. So I'm a contact us page I want to create. So /contact, that's the URL I want it to be. I press continue, so I would have my next website done like almost immediately too. So it's basically generating for you the contact us page. So you can see, yes. So basic routine of it. It's generating. Once it's done, you have your images, all of them included too. So I should be showing it anytime soon. So my contact page there is it. So we can add in images and stuff like that. Let me see something. It's meant to add the image here. So I want to add, yeah, so this is based on the image. Let me add something. I want here I choose for me, so do that. Let's see how long that would take for you to create a banner for me. So I think it has done something for me already. I think I like it. So basically you can just move around the tagline how to the header, and then the subtitle also has to be included. It actually mostly based on, because everything is SEO, so all of the basic naming you do actually you have to define how your website will be ranked and then it will be seen. So I press with style. It's giving me a different kind of style right now. So could do that. So I just, yes. So I wanted the image to show. So I had to restyle it to get a different image. So it's something compact like this, and then we're from top here. So I don't know my. Okay. The map is not working, so I just want to do something on it. Maybe satellites for this. Well, that's too fast. Streets. Dark. Stuff like that. So now can play around with it to get the kind of style you want. So it's because of content. So you can mention where. So based on the address you add is where you should get to get exactly the location. So initially it was not showing much information because it was in Nigeria. So I'll just add a longer kind of location, so it's able to trace with the map accurately location that is well defined. So once I did that, that's okay. So you're seeing that now you have enough, like more than before. So you could just play around with it, click on it, add the images where you need to add. Like for now, there needs to be an image extra. I could either restyle or double click. I can also move stuffs. I can move this one to any position. I can move them to left to right or something. So like, so this one, I want to move to the left. So I moved my design to the left. So I mean I want to do some corrections over here. If I want to the right, I mean I have to do something over here. So I can restyle my right hand position. So I have something quite different. If I don't like it, I would change it again. This is looking quite nice. Okay. So let's play around something. Let's add a section. So in this section, you could just have maybe working hours. Let's add that. So I could add my working hours as a different section. So you can see it so as it, so you can add more section. You're not limited to what was generated for you. Could add more section to the design. But this is not meant to be a could go like down. So let's see if we can drive it down. I could duplicate it, then and delete this one. Have access to. So I'm trying to see if I can move the position. So I think I can. So I just did. So with this stuff I can pull it down. So it's going down. So right click position is meant to be like closer to the footer. So we are it at the footer position now here. So you have our address, you have in some other information we can spell it to order. You have the time at which you open and when you're closed. You have a form, business form. So this form actually is meant to be under too. Yes, so we can just play around it. The essence of this video is not necessarily to show you a well-defined kind of website done, but to show you the capacity of this website to generate stuff for you. So once you do that, you can save it, you're fine with it. So the changes can be applied to your website. So I want to preview my website right now and see how it looks like, because everything here right now it does basically. So you could publish, it could preview it. So you don't have to preview your website before any other thing just to see how it works. So I go to home. So this is just my laptop screen size. Let's choose my website, and you can text tab position just to see if it's responsive. The responsiveness of your website will determine if the website is actually like friendly in-house kind of screen. So you can have a displacement of your design, it is could be very fine and okay on your screen of your desktop, but on your phone is terrible. So just check through and see how does it look like. Then and then if you're fine with it, you can. So the other pages you have to add also. So I'm just checking through what I've done. So this is my own page. This is in compact. So next thing you do, you could just click on the button publish. So this is where you now have to come to make payments. So basically, through these payments, you'll be given a lot of kinds of offers open to you, and you have a custom domain to you attached to your website. And funny enough, this website, once you have domain attached to it already, there's no issue at all because your website becomes functional. Like your domain name remains there even though you choose to no longer use the website anymore. You don't want to have your website maybe applied anymore, but you still want to keep your domain name because it was made for your brand, and then you don't want to lose that name. So you could ask them to transfer that domain name to any other hosting platform. So when you was supposed to buy a custom domain name from them is actually effective, and then you are not losing it once you want to move it from the website. So it's a good offer they have here. So they give for starter and then from business, the kind you want to do for every month and 2 years. So yeah, so for you to publish your website, you have to make payments. So it's quite easy for you not to worry about having a software developer, and it reduces cost a lot. So how did you find this? Do you find it exciting? It's cheap. It's accessible. That's what with your pre-prompt, you can make your website in seconds. This solves you the issue of having a software developer make your website for you, or buying a website and worry about how to set up both the hosting plan and getting your domain name. The good thing about this is that once you get your website and you have the website, it's simple because after you're done and then you don't want to use your website anymore, you can actually write to them to send your customized domain to another platform so that you can actually use it afterwards, even after putting up your website with them. So you can use your domain, your customized domain, regardless if you're not having your website still built on the platform. So it's a beautiful thing, and they're making life much more easier than ever. So we just try it. Let me know in the comment section. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on this video. Till next time, bye for now.